It's about control, intelligence, and flexibility. Meteocontrol is launching a new platform, and company is a part of the group. Let's head to the launch.
Renewable energy is moving faster than ever, with bigger projects, more PV and battery hybrid systems, and greater complexity. We're here at the meteocontrol booth for the launch of their new bluelog Neo, the next generation in monitoring and control platforms. Let's see who we can find at the booth to speak with us.
There are two main drivers for our new product, the Neo, and that is the requirements for cybersecurity that are increasing, and also the market is evolving towards sector coupling. So that means the bluelog Neo has to control multiple assets from different resources into one single unit. And of course, we want to reduce the prices to do so.
And what are the biggest technical advancements within Neo compared to the previous generations?
It's a completely new setup. So there are more processing power, more CPUs. There are encryption modules on it for cybersecurity. Also machine learning processors on it for the future if we want to do some load learning, I would say. High-speed communication modules on it. And after the Neo, so that's the basic platform, there will be also the additional modules that are attached to it. That is also known from the previous bluelog. They're going to be upgraded as well, so that we have a full-fledged platform where you can hook up everything in one single unit.
PV only, that's part of the past, so that the requirements of operators or investors, IPPs, has to go through sector coupling, which means you have to do more than PV. Batteries, of course, but maybe you want to add wind, or maybe you have a gas turbine as well that you need to consider within this entire ecosystem. And this is what the bluelog Neo can handle. Sector coupling, so asset diversification, as well as integrations of cloud EMS systems, and as well as providing access for traders to directly perform their trading activities on the fly every day whenever they want, define price signals, and let the asset do what it's supposed to according to those commands.
And with flexibility the name of the game, MC Energy is a new enterprise within meteocontrol, introducing the MCE Store 125.
We have here the meteocontrol store, which was especially designed to function as well with the bluelog, to be fully integrated. So what we see here is a CNI system. CNI systems are specially designed for commercial and industrial use to reduce costs of energy.
Well, let's take a look inside.
Yeah. What we see here is state-of-the-art technology, which is of a capacity of 261 kilowatt hours and with a power of 125 kilowatt. So what we especially see here is the rack itself with the modules, the security systems, the PCF, the inverter, which is all joined together and will be controlled by the bluelog itself.
And why is the CNI market segment interesting?
The current problem with the CNI sector is that there aren't any real regulations for the storage systems in CNI. So we at meteocontrol said, okay, we already have our certified controller, and this will give a kind of a guarantee to our customers to have a very high quality and to be able to connect the system correctly to the grid.
On a financial level, the assets need to be are in the market, and they need to exchange with the market, and that is through our platform, bluelog Neo. All these different assets, they are integrated into one single asset, so you don't want to have for each single asset a different controller or a different energy management system. It needs to be one single unit. That is also important for the end customers, so that they have a partner that they can talk to if there are problems, or each individual site is also very unique in a sense, and they want to have a specified custom-made solution for that site. And that's where the bluelog Neo offers that opportunity. And of course, with the brand meteocontrol and our experience that we have in the market, we can assist in that.
Great. Thank you, Stijn, so much. Very excited to be here at the NEO launch today.